Hi, today I'm making lemon poppy seed muffins. First I will show you the ingredients that you need to get together. I will go to the amounts that need to be put in and in what order they need to be added. You'll need 2 eggs, some vanilla yogurt, white sugar, all-purpose flour, some baking soda and baking powder. You'll also need vanilla, some salt, a couple of fresh lemons, and some poppy seeds. Now you're going to take 2 eggs and separate the white from the yolk. You'll need a larger bowl for the whites because you're going to be beating them up till they're stiff, and you'll set the egg yolks into a separate bowl because you'll add them also to the batter later. Now to beat the egg whites with an electric mixer until they form a soft peak. Now we'll just take both of these and set them aside so that they're ready to be added when we're ready for them. Just getting some vanilla ready to go. Now I'm just going to take a couple of lemons here and grate the outside so that we have some zest ready for when we need it for the recipe. Next, we're going to take the lemons and cut them in half and then juice them so that we can use fresh juice in the recipe as well. Now I'm going to line the muffin tins with the baking cups. It makes for easier cleanup and you don't have to grease your pans. There's all kinds of decorative cups you can get, so it makes it really nice to look at as well. Now we're going to start adding all of the ingredients together. So we're going to start with a large bowl and we're going to add a half a cup of butter. Now add 2/3 of a cup of sugar. Add the 2 egg yolks. Now beat that together really well. Take a separate bowl and we're going to add together the dry ingredients. Start with 1 1/3 cups of flour. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now add half a teaspoon of baking soda, just 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, add 1 1/2 tablespoons of poppy seeds, and about 1 tablespoon of lemon zest. Now you'll take a spoon and mix that together till it's really well combined. Now set aside your dry ingredients and go back to the butter, sugar, and egg mixture, to which you're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now add half a cup of the flour mixture. Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Mix that together. Add another half cup of the flour mixture. Now add half a cup of vanilla yogurt and mix that all together again. So the idea here is to alternate between the wet and dry ingredients. So just make sure that you have used up all the flour mixture when you're done. Then the very last thing that you'll be doing is adding the egg whites, and you just fold them gently into the batter like this. Now you're ready to put the batter into the muffin tins. Rule of thumb is to fill them about 3/4 full. Now you'll have a preheated oven at 350 degrees. You can set your timer for about 20 minutes. Now you place them in the oven and wait until they're done. Wow, they're smelling really good at this point. I think they're done, so I'm going to take them out of the oven and check them with a toothpick. And if the toothpick comes out clean, then you know that they're done. Now an extra little touch is just to add a little bit of sugar on top. You don't have to do this, but it does add a little sweetness that is kind of enjoyable. It makes them look good, and oh my, you're going to want to try one of these. Now look at that. Don't they look good? Now there you have it, the perfect lemon poppy seed muffin. If you want, you can take a knife, cut it in half, add a little bit of butter if you wish, or just eat them like they are. Enjoy.